It went inside, I heard. Oh, right on the side.
I don't think it's going to penetrate. I hit it. That's pretty good. We shot with a knife. Yeah.
Damn.
This one shoots straight at his
Okay,
hand.
you can go home now, Travis. You're making us look bad. And he's drunk.
It's probably leaking.
He's drunk.
Oh, shit. Somebody shoot it.
Oh, there goes the tree. Nice job, guys.
Not a bad idea.
That was awesome.
Really gone now. I guess we know better. Yeah, it's starting to wear. I thought the tree was going away.
Nah.
I don't think that stuff went off either. Well, that was fun.
The tannerite?
Yeah.
Did it ever go off, Greg?
Should have.